The Miracle Bird. In English, in a village lost among the mountains, there lived a girl named Olesya. She was known for her kindness, beauty, and the fact that she could eat 3 bowls of borscht in one sitting. One day, disaster struck. The Wi-Fi disappeared. People fell into despair because no one could watch TikTok, and Grandma Halia lost access to her favorite TV show. Olesya, you're our hero. Go find a solution, the villager said, handing her a survival kit, lard, onions, and more lard. Olesya set off into the mountains in search of the miracle bird because she had heard rumors that it provided free mobile internet. After a 3-day journey and eating half of her supplies, she found a giant tree where a golden bird sat, glowing like a 100-watt light bulb. "What do you seek, mortal?" it asked, scratching its wings. "We have a catastrophe. Without Wi-Fi, we can't live," Olesya cried. The bird thought for a moment. "Fine, I will give you Wi-Fi, but you must sacrifice your most precious possession." Olesya gulped. Did she have to give up her favorite embroidered blouse? "You must give up." "Borscht." "No!" she screamed so loudly that the mountains trembled. But there was no choice. She nodded, tears streaming down her face. The miracle bird flapped its wings, and a perfect 5G signal appeared over the village. Everyone rushed to their phones, and Grandma Halia immediately watched 5 episodes of her favorite drama. But Olesya was gone. Instead, a golden bird now circled in the sky, crying, "Borscht! Borscht! Give me borscht!" Since then, whenever Wi-Fi disappears in a village, all you have to do is cook a bowl of borscht, and maybe the miracle bird will bring the internet back.